G'day mate, welcome to the Deans Around Oz. My name's Dino, this is my young fella Jaden, also known as Spud. That'll probably come out in another video later on. So what we're doing today is we're going up to the camper trailer and we're going to start packing our camper trailer. We're on a round trip around Australia, living the dream. And so far we've spent 9 months in Queensland. We've done about 80% of Queensland. We've tracked right up from the Gold Coast, up the coast, through the centre, across the top into Cape York. If you've watched our other video earlier on Cape York, you would have seen that we rode off our 105 series Land Cruiser. Unfortunately, with that, we got the help of Mark and Chanel from Top End Motors. Mark is such a fantastic dude, absolute great guy. We camped in his backyard for 3 months. We got insurance on the first vehicle, and then I flew back to the Gold Coast with the family, and we picked up this thing here, the 200 series Land Cruiser, and drove back up to the Cape to pick up our camper trailer. Guys, if you're ever in Cape York and you ever need a hand or you've got any problems or anything like that, drop into Top End Motors, see Mark. I'll leave his details in the comments below. Might put a picture up here if I can, with all of his details. Give him a call, he'll look after you. Absolute fantastic dude. Thanks by the way, Mark, you're a legend, mate. So yeah guys, we're going to go pack the camper trailer. We're heading off in just under 2 weeks. We're looking at leaving on the 3rd of January from the Gold Coast, and we're going to track west across Queensland, New South Wales border, across to the Corners, into Birdsville, and then into the Simpson Desert. That's all we've got planned so far. After the Simpson Desert, we'll probably spend a year or so in Northern Territory, cruising around there, hopefully catching some barramundi and spotting some crocs. So stay tuned for future videos on our tours there. We're homeschooling our 2 boys, so we've got Spud here, and I've also got Spud's 10. I've also got another boy, Josh, he's 12, and we're homeschooling those boys. So we'll do some videos of the boys schooling, so you can see what we do for homeschooling, how we homeschool, what we're covering, how we're covering it, and everything like that. If you've got any questions on homeschooling or anything about touring Australia or full driving or anything like that, leave a comment below, and I'll get around to answering your questions. If there's any videos that you'd like us to do for you, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and click the little bell for notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for tuning in, mate. The Deans Around Oz. Look forward to seeing you soon. Cheers.